Hello guys, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a square in C++. All you have to do is just create two integers, and now you have to create a for loop. As you can see, I'm going to write for a is equals to 0, a is less than or equals to 5, and a plus plus. And now I have to create another for loop in the main for loop called as nested loop. So I'm going to write down for b is equals to 0, b is less than or equals to 5, and now b plus plus. Now, as you can see, I will write down C out, and now you'll have to write the symbol or the word you want to see make a square. And I'm going to write down C out and line. And as you can see, this is the basic idea of the code. You have to create a for loop inside a for loop. And as you can see, you can even beautify your code. And if I go and run the code, you will see it creates a square, but it looks much more like a rectangle. That's because this space is not yet given. And now it is looking like a perfect square. So that's how you can create a square in C++. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.